ene ye ukuada abo ewia donko pepepe odofo mema wakwa ababa LEARNAKAN kasakoa adesua yase ene die ye ofa etoso miensa na wotwe etwe mu no yesua kasakoa ahodoɔ num na ene nso yebesua kasakoa ahodoɔ nson na mibisa wo woka LEARNAKAN abusuakuo no ho onka ho yo se opese obeka LEARNAKAN abusuakuo no ho a enye den kra na ye wasa wo ya ne se wahu subscribe emiade na wo fam ho no ane kokko no miaso wayi se wo wi a obehu se adoma ketua bi apie wo ne nkyɛn mu ho no ohu aha miaso eno ano no wabeka LEARNAKAN abusua no ho yema wakwa aba me ba sesi ya. Hello guys, this is Yao here and you're welcome to the third episode in our Learn Akan Idiom series. So just as I mentioned in the intro, if you heard me, so I said today we are looking at 7 Twi idioms. So last week we looked at 5 Twi idioms and the week before that we looked at 9 Twi idioms. I will leave links to each of them down below in case you missed any of them. Okay, so you should check it out. All right, so today we are looking at 7 Twi idioms, so we don't have time to waste. Let's just go ahead and start with the first one. And I have neshene mu bono. Neshene mu bono. Neshene mu bono. Neshene mu bono. Okay, neshene mu bono. Neshene mu bono. Neshene mu bono. Neshene mu bono. Okay, so we have ne. Again, the possessive adjective, his or her. Okay, meaning whatever comes next. So the word that comes next refers to something that belongs to whomever this ne refers to. I hope I did not confuse you on that. Yeah, so we have ne, his or her, and then we have shene. Shene. Shene, the full word is eshene. Okay, eshene. And eshene is the nose. Okay, eshene, the nose. And then we have mu, and mu is in or inside. Okay, inside. So this means it's not just the shene, it's not just the nose, but the inside of the nose. Okay, so how do you call the inside of the nose? Nostrils, right? Yeah, I hope I'm right. So shenemu is the inside of the nose. So far we have neshenemu, his or her nostrils. Okay, and then we have bon. Bon. Okay, bon, and bon means to smell. Okay, bon, to smell. So I can say, for example, Kofi hon bon. Okay, Kofi hon bon to mean Kofi emits bad odor. All right, so bon means to smell, to emit bad scent. All right, and then we have no, the object pronoun no, him or her. Okay, so in all, what we have here is he or she finds his or her own nostrils smelly. Okay, so his or her nostrils are smelly to him or her. Literal. Okay, so this is the literal meaning. But figuratively, we use this expression to describe people who are just unfriendly. Okay, people who are unfriendly, people who are unapproachable, people who seem to be disgusted or pissed off by everything. Okay, yeah, such people. We say neshine mu bon. Okay, so if you have someone who is sort of disgusted or pissed off by everything, he is unapproachable, he is unfriendly, you can say neshine mu bon. Okay, neshine mu bon. So neshine mu bon means he or she is unfriendly. Okay, and you can tell that the figurative meaning of this expression seems to go with the literal meaning. Okay, so the literal meaning of this expression was that he or she finds his or her own nostrils smelly. So think about it. If you had someone who found his or her nostrils smelly, okay, how do you think he will walk around looking like? Yeah, like that. And if you walk about looking like that, you know, people can't approach you, right? So you'll be unapproachable. People will think you are unfriendly, so they will not even get close to you. Yeah, so let's look at some usage examples. And for the first one, I have woshine mu bon wo. Woshine mu bon wo. Woshine mu bon wo. Okay, woshine mu bon wo. I can even add dodo at the end. So I'll have woshine mu bon wo dodo. Woshine mu bon wo dodo. Woshine mu bon wo dodo. Okay, and then for the second example, we have kofi yere shine mu bon. 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 Okay, and then for the last example, we have osofo a ne shine mu bon. Osofo a ne shine mu bon. Osofo a ne shine mu bon. Okay, osofo a ne shine mu bon. You think every pastor is friendly, but not this one. Osofo a ne shine mu bon. Okay, to the second idiom, and we have owo Asuna War. 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 So we have o, and o is from ono. Okay, he or she. All right, the subject pronoun he or she, ono. And then we have wo, and wo means to give birth. Okay, to give birth. So it's a verb. So owo, he or she gives birth, right? And then we have asuno. Asuno, and asuno is the plural for osuno. Okay, osuno. And I hope you know osuno, right? Yeah, so osuno is the elephant. Okay, so asuno, plural, elephant. Okay, and then we have war, and war is from awo. Okay, awo, and awo is the act of giving birth. Okay, so the noun form. Okay, so in all, literally what we have here is he or she gives birth the elephant style. Okay, so he or she gives birth like the elephants do. All right, yeah, that's the literal meaning. But again, this idiom applies to women, not men. Okay, so instead of he or she gives birth like elephants do, this should be she gives birth the elephant style, or like the elephants do. Okay, yeah, so this is the literal meaning, but figuratively this means that she gives birth at considerable intervals. Okay, so she gives birth this year and then maybe waits 5 years later, 10 years later to give birth to another. Okay, so we say she's giving birth the elephant style, like elephants do. Okay, and you get it. So again, the figurative meaning goes with the literal meaning, right? How do elephants give birth? Sparingly, right? So if you have someone who tends to give birth, at considerable intervals, then we say Owo Asuna War. Okay, Owo Asuna War. Owo Asuna War. Okay, to the usage examples. And the first one we have Wawo Asuna War. Wawo Asuna War. Wawo Asuna War. Okay, Wawo Asuna War. And for the second one we have Neer no wo Asuna War. 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 And then for the last usage example here we have Mwawo Asuna War. Mwawo Asuna War. Mwawo Asuna War. Okay, Mwawo Asuna War. Okay, on to the next idiom, and we have Enkase. 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 Okay, Enkase. So the in this one is from eno, and that is it. So the neutral pronoun, it. And then we have the The is the negative marker. Okay, so we use this to negate the verb that is following. Okay, so the negative marker. So the verb is ka. Ka, and ka means to touch. Okay, to touch, ka. And then we have sin. Sin, and sin is from a sin. Okay, a sin, and a sin is the tooth, okay, or the teeth. Okay, we use the same thing. We don't have a plural form. Tooth, teeth, a sin. Okay, so in all, literally what we have here is it does not touch the teeth, okay, or the tooth, whichever. All right, so it doesn't touch the teeth or it doesn't touch the tooth. Okay, that is your literal meaning. But figuratively, this means that it does not taste good. Okay, it doesn't taste good, it tastes bad. So we use this to describe foods. Okay, so if someone gives you food or cooks food for you and you find that it's not delicious, you can say enkase. Okay, enkase. You shouldn't say it before him or her though. Okay, it's not good. But enkase, it doesn't taste good. Okay, enkase kra, it doesn't taste good at all. It tastes so bad. Okay, yeah, so it's not delicious. Let's look at some usage examples, and we have ya aduane nkase. Ya aduane nkase. Ya aduane nkase. Okay, ya aduane nkase. And then for the second example, we have Adriana No Cussing. Adriana No Cussing. Adriana No Cussing. And then for the last usage example, we have Sa Adriana No Cussing. Okay, Sa Adriana No Cussing. Sa Adriana No Cussing. Okay, that food tastes bad. Sa Adriana No Cussing. Let's move to the next idiom, and we have Wafaa efru. Wafaa efru. Wafaa efru. Wafaa efru. Okay, so we have the W that begins Wafaa. So the W that begins Wafaa. And this is your third person singular subject pronoun, he or she, when it is used together with a verb in its perfect form. We talked about this last week and the week before. All right. So we have the W for he or she. Okay. And then we have the A that comes between the W and Fa. And this is your perfect aspect marker, roughly translating to has or have. This is used to express a complete action. Okay. And then we have Fa. 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 And Fa means to take. Okay, to take or to pick. All right. Fa, to take, to pick. And then we have efru. 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 Okay. Efru, and efru is your belly. Okay, your stomach. That's efru. So in all, Wafaa efru literally means he or she has picked or has taken a belly. Okay, he or she has taken a belly, or he or she has picked a belly. Okay, but again, this idiom applies to only women, not men. So we can just say she has taken or picked up a belly or a stomach, literally. Okay, but figuratively, this expression, so this idiom means that she is pregnant or she has become pregnant. Okay, so when we say Wafaa efru, which literally means he or she has picked or taken a belly, figuratively it means that she is pregnant or she has become pregnant. Okay, so I guess this is the equivalent of what you have in English as she has taken seed. Okay, so instead of taking seed, for us, she takes the belly. Okay, so we have she is pregnant or she has become pregnant. Okay, let's look at the usage examples, and I have Maame no afa efru. Maame no afa efru. Maame no afa efru. Okay, Maame no afa efru. And then for the second example, we have Marfa efru. Marfa efru. Marfa efru. Marfa efru. And then for the last usage example, we have Meyere afa efru. Meyere afa efru. Meyere afa efru. Okay, let's go to the next idiom, and we have Oyi neni so. Oyi neni so. Oyi neni so. Oyi neni so, or Oriyi neni so. Oriyi neni so. Oriyi neni so. So again, we have O from ono, and that is he or she. Okay, the subject pronoun he or she. And then we have re, and re is your progressive tense marker. Okay, so the continuous tense marker. Okay, so this corresponds to ing in English. Okay, so when you say dancing, okay, dancing or singing, okay, the ing at the end, that is it, re. re. And then we have yi, and yi means to remove. Okay, to remove. So to remove something, right? That is yi. And then we have neni. And for neni, we have the apostrophe, and that is the possessive adjective his or her. Okay, we looked at this last week. So we have the apostrophe for the possessive adjective his or her. So we said it assumes, this form, the apostrophe, when it is used with a word that begins with the letter a. Okay, so as you can see, the word that follows the apostrophe is eni, and that begins with the letter a, right? So we have eni, eni, eni. And what is eni? Eni is the eye or the eyes. Okay, so we have neni, his or her eyes. Okay, and then we have so, and so is on. Okay, so is on. So neni so means on his or her eyes, right? So this expression overall literally means that he or she is removing stuff from on top of his or her eyes. Okay, so he or she is clearing, his eyes, the surface of his or her eyes. All right, that's your literal meaning. But figuratively, this means that he or she is sleeping. Okay, he or she is sleeping. So when we say oyi neniso, we mean he or she is sleeping. Okay. All right, to the usage examples, and we have meyi meniso, meyi meniso, meyi meniso. Okay, meyi meniso. And then for the second example, we have abneyi neniso, abneyi neniso, abneyi neniso, abneyi neniso. And then for the last example, we have esukuufoɔ no yi wɔn ani so. 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 Now to the last idiom, and we have ne pɔnkɔ pɛ ntɛm. Okay, ne pɔnkɔ pɛ ntɛm. Ne pɔnkɔ pɛ ntɛm. Ne pɔnkɔ pɛ ntɛm. So we have ne, the possessive adjective his or her, meaning whatever comes next will be possessed by whomever this ne is referring to. So what is coming next is pɔnkɔ. 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 Okay, pɔnkɔ, and pɔnkɔ is the tree name for a horse. Okay, a horse. So ne pɔnkɔ means his or her horse, right? His horse, her horse. Okay, and then we have pɛ, and pɛ means to like or to want. Okay, to like or to want. And then we have ntɛm. 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 And ntɛm means quick. Okay, quick. So something that is done quickly or in a hurry. Okay, that's ntɛm. So overall, this literally means that his or her horse is in a hurry. Okay, so his or her horse is in a hurry. That's your literal meaning for this expression. But this actually means that he or she is in a hurry. Okay, so it is he or she who is in a hurry, not exactly his or her horse. Okay, so he or she is in a hurry. Ne pɔnkɔ pɛ ntɛm. Ne pɔnkɔ pɛ ntem. So let's look at the usage examples, and we have me ponko pe ntem. Me ponko pe ntem. Me ponko pe ntem. So while this literally would mean my horse is in a hurry, it is actually I. So I am in a hurry, okay? So me ponko pe ntem, I'm in a hurry. And then for the second example, we have wo ponko pe ntem. Wo ponko pe ntem. Wo ponko pe ntem. Wo ponko pe ntem. And for the last usage example, we have kika wo ho yem ponko pe ntem. 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 Okay, so this is where we end today's episode. I hope you found this useful. As always, if you found it useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do so. I'll see you guys next week.